Hello and welcome to Slats, Cracks, Locks. Today I have a Master Lock 141D, and this is Amazon's choice for a locker padlock. It's quite tiny, and the first thing I look at is the absolute sad state of affairs that is this key. Look at that. Not only is it teeny tiny and flimsy, but those pins are just straight across. So, let's get to it. First of all, let's pop it open. Key works fine. Alright, so we're going to try some rakes on this guy today. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try and put a city rake in here. Here's a city. See how that does. And look at that. I barely put it in there and it's already open. Let's try that again because that was a little too easy. Yeah, look at that. Okay. So City Rake busts it wide open with no effort. Basically just had to put it in there. Alright, next let's try Snake Rake on this guy and see how that does. See if we can snake this guy open too. Not that good with a Snake Rake. Up. And it's open. So the Snake Rake gets it open. Okay, let's try a triple peak Bogota. Put that in there. Up. It's open. Okay, and then the only other rake I own, I had to dig into my cheapo Wish set to grab this snowman. Well, let's stick the snowman in there and see what happens. If I can get it in here. These Wish picks are a little rough. Come on, baby. And it's open. So that is every rake that I own. Basically just have to put it in there and this guy pops right open. I couldn't recommend this lock to lock anything up. And I mean, the package says it's a level 4. Whatever that means. Because I feel like you could just stick anything in this lock and it's going to pop wide open. It looks like it could be shimmed as well. You can see those cuts here. There's no ball bearings in this lock. So yeah, everything in the world apparently opens up this lock. So that's excellent. So yeah, do not buy this lock. This is a Master Lock 141D. This is Amazon's choice for a locker padlock. And I wouldn't use this on anything. Well, anyway, that's it for today. Please like and subscribe if you like my videos. I know I've been gone for a while, but I'm back. And yeah, I'll be back in the next video with another lock for you. Bye, everybody.